as the storm clouds finally lift. Did you learn from the mistakes of the past? The clock is ticking, and the pressure is mounting for procurement leaders to pull their weight to source more efficiently, manage risks better, and maximize enterprise value in today's uncertain future. After the storm, procurement in an uncertain world gathers the opinions of 110 CPOs, vice presidents, and heads of procurement and supply chain from across leading organizations in APAC on their top digitalization priorities for 2023 to 2024, their organizational readiness for the road ahead, top obstacles faced as they seek to derive more value from current technology, key strategies to support sustainability and deliver resilience and profitability. Here's a peek at some of the key findings. Suppliers are deemed as playing a pivotal role to drive continuous progress in sustainability by 70.9%. Data silo challenges, inaccurate and poor quality data are major obstacles in digitalization. 49.1% said flexibility to meet unique or evolving requirements is the top requirement to navigate uncertainty ahead. We found visibility into contracts, 89.1%, and suppliers, 74.5%, has become crucial since the pandemic and remains so in the face of more recent challenges. Challenges still remain. Interested to know what are the top obstacles holding procurement leaders back? What does this mean for your business? 90.9% agree procurement technologies help make timely, data-driven decisions about spend and suppliers. Want to know how else to level up on the path towards resiliency, agility, and operational excellence? Download the report now.